to make an iced coffee. An iced coffee, guys. So if you are going to make an iced coffee, first thing you do is you are going to have a boiling water in a cup, then 1 sachet of Nescafe. Where are you guys? This one is Nescafe, and then we have brown sugar in here, ice cubes. We have ice cubes, guys. This one, ice cubes, and we have full cream milk as well. This one. So first thing we do, we are going to put the coffee on the hot water, and then we are going to. So I am putting the coffee in hot water. Our hot water is half of this cup, and then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You know why? Because I have a big glass in here, so I will add ice, I will add the milk, so that really needs a little bit of sweetness. Okay, now we are going to add the milk first, so our coffee is not too hot to put in the glass bottle or our big glass. So here we go. We are going to transfer now, and we are going to add a little bit of our 1:1. So that's it. So this is our iced coffee milk. The sweetness is alright. I taste already. So we will add ice cubes. So it is very simple, guys. More ice cubes. Okay. Let's